Hello students, this is Sudhir Tomar. In the last video we studied present perfect continuous and past indefinite. Today we are going to study use of past indefinite, past continuous, and further let's start with use of past indefinite. फर्स्ट यूज देखेंगे actions finished in the past. For example, she deposited her fees yesterday. I visited the zoo last week. Second, series of completed actions. Series of completed actions. For example, I took a pen and started writing a letter. He sat down and ordered a coffee. Series of completed action. थर्ड देखिए विद पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस. विद पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस. पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस के साथ भी हम प्रयोग करते हैं पास्ट इंडेफिनिट का, जैसे दे वर प्लेइंग चेस when the phone rang. They were playing chess when the phone rang. While I was writing a mail, my computer went off. My computer went off. See? Let's see further. फोर्थ देखते हैं. इन कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेस फर्स्ट कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेस में प्रयोग करते हैं. इफ आई न्यू हिज एड्रेस, I would send him an invitation. अगर मैं उसका एड्रेस जानता तो उसे एक इनविटेशन कार्ड भेजता. If he worked hard, he would pass. If he worked hard, he would pass. यदि वह कड़ी मेहनत करता तो पास हो गया होता. नेक्स्ट देखिए फिर with ago, yesterday, last means last day, last week, month, year, and year means the particular year 2010, 12, 2015. देखिए, for example, few years ago I bought a car. I watched a good movie yesterday. He met his friend last week. Last week, they built a new house in 2015. These are some use of past indefinite. Let's study further. Means study. We will study now past continuous. Past continuous. Let's know about that identification in Hindi as well as in English. In Hindi, जिन वाक्यों के अंत में रहा था, रहे थे, रही थी आदि आते हैं, वे सेंटेंसेस पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस के कहलाते हैं. जैसे वह क्रिकेट खेल रहा था, बेबी सो रहा था, अध्यापक कक्षा कक्ष में व्याकरण पढ़ा रहा था, वे अपना मकान बना रहे थे. ये सेंटेंसेस जो हैं सभी पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस के हैं. लेट्स सी पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस. पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस है ये. देखिए पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस. In English, the identification is helping verb. We have two helping verbs in past continuous. Was, were. With singular subjects we use was, and with plural subjects we use were. Construction of simple sentence. सिंपल सेंटेंस में हम कैसे इसको बनाएंगे? There is no difference between present continuous and past continuous except helping verb. We use is, am, are in present continuous and was, were in past continuous. देखिए एक बार. देखते हैं हम पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस को. सब्जेक्ट प्लस was, were plus first form of the verb plus ing. First form of the verb plus ing plus object plus remaining part of sentence. Subject was, were, first form of the verb plus ing, object and remaining part of sentence. जैसे अध्यापक कक्षा कक्ष में व्याकरण पढ़ा रहा था. देखिए वन. The teacher was. टीचर यहाँ सिंगुलर है, was का प्रयोग कर देंगे. टीचर was teaching. ग्रामर in the classroom. वे परीक्षा की तैयारी कर रहे थे. दे प्लूरल है, वर्ड का प्रयोग. दे वर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द एग्जाम. They were preparing for the exams. Subject was were prepare के साथ ing preparing for the exam. यहाँ भी ऐसे ही the teacher subject was verb plus ing object grammar in the classroom. Remaining part of sentence. Let's see for the negative. To make negative we only add not आफ्टर हेल्पिंग वर्ब. देखिए सब्जेक्ट वॉज वर्ब, यहां नोट का प्रयोग हम करेंगे. दे वर मीन्स द टीचर वॉज नॉट नेगेटिव, दे वर नॉट. दिस इज सिंपल एंड नेगेटिव. लेट्स सी फर्दर. देखिए इंटरोगेटिव. क्या अध्यापक कक्षा कक्ष में ग्रामर पढ़ा रहा था? वॉज वर प्लस सब्जेक्ट. वॉज वर प्लस सब्जेक्ट मीन्स वॉज वर से एक सब्जेक्ट प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म द वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ सेंटेंस प्लस sign of interrogation. Was the teacher teaching? Was the teacher teaching grammar in the classroom? Was what? Subject first form of the verb plus ing, object remaining part of sentence and sign of interrogation. Were they preparing for the exams? Interrogative, negative. Interrogative, negative, we use not after subject. was were plus not. इंटरोगेटिव नेगेटिव बनाने के लिए was were सब्जेक्ट प्लस नोट. जैसे was the teacher not teaching grammar in the classroom. देखिए इंटरोगेटिव, नेगेटिव. Was the teacher not teaching grammar in the classroom? Were they not preparing for the exams? Let's see further. देखिए इंटरोगेटिव WH family words. We add WH family words in the beginning. Let's see how. WH family words plus was were plus subject first form the verb plus ing plus object remaining part of sentence and sign of interrogation. कब क्यों कहाँ ये वर्ड्स जो है हिंदी में बीच में आएंगे सेंटेंस के. जैसे टीचर कक्षा कक्ष में ग्रामर क्यों पढ़ा रहा था. Why was the teacher teaching grammar in the classroom? Why were they preparing for the exams? Why were they preparing for the exams? Why? How were they? वे परीक्षा की तैयारी कैसे कर रहे थे? How were they preparing for the exams? Different sentences. Let's see. Use of past continuous. Use of past continuous. देखते हैं यूज ऑफ पास्ट कंटिन्यूस. यूज देखते हैं फर्स्ट. एक्शंस that were in progress. Means जो sentences जो actions continuity में थे उनमें जैसे first she was listening to the radio. She was listening to the radio. We were decorating our houses. We were decorating our houses. Second, two actions happen at the same time. At the same time, they didn't interfere each other. They didn't influence each other. For example, देखिए एक बार. I was writing a letter while my friend was studying. My friend was studying. Two actions happen at the same time. We use. देखिए एक और एग्जाम्पल. When I knocked at the door, he was sleeping. Let's see further. देखिए आगे. With verbs showing change and growth. Change or growth. For example, the children were growing up. The children were growing up. Her English was improving. Her English was improving. The town was changing quickly. Some examples. Past continuous. Use of past continuous. Let's see further. Let's see now past perfect. The identification in Hindi as well as in English. In हिंदी जिन वाक्यों के अंत में चुका था, चुके थे, चुकी थी, आ था, ए थे, ई थी आदि आते हैं, वे सेंटेंसेस पास्ट परफेक्ट के कहलाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैं अपना वर्क कर चुका था या मैंने अपना कार्य कर लिया था. बेबी सो चुका था. उन्होंने अपना मकान बना लिया था. वे घर जा चुके थे. These are some examples of past perfect. Past perfect. Past perfect. मैंने उनकी पुस्तक लौटा दी थी. देखिए, हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स we have only one helping verb in past perfect, that is had. Except helping verb, there is no difference between past perfect and present perfect. We use has and or have in present perfect, and we use had in past perfect. देखिए एक बार, सिंपल सेंटेंस का स्ट्रक्चर देखते हैं एक बार. सिंपल सेंटेंस, सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैड प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. वी यूज पास्ट पार्टिसिपल, मीन्स थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब विद हैज, हैव, हैड. हैड सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैड प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट, रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ सेंटेंस. जैसे अभी मैंने एग्जाम्पल दिया था, मैंने उसकी पुस्तक लौटा दी थी. आई हैड रिटर्न्ड हिज बुक. ही हैड ड्रॉन अ पिक्चर. उसने एक तस्वीर बना ली थी. ऐसी फॉर द सिंपल सेंटेंस था. नेगेटिव, वी हैड ओनली नॉट आफ्टर हेल्पिंग वर्ब. आई हैड नॉट रिटर्न हिज बुक. He had not drawn a picture. Negative. Let's see further. Interrogative. Had plus subject, third form of the verb object remaining part of sentence plus sign of interrogation. जैसे had I returned his book, क्या मैंने उसकी पुस्तक लौटा दी थी? Had he drawn a picture, क्या उसने एक तस्वीर बना ली थी? Interrogative, negative. Interrogative, negative. We have only note after subject. To make interrogative negative, we add note after subject. देखिए, had I not returned his book, had he not drawn a picture, had he not drawn a picture, negative. देखिए, interrogative WH family words. WH family words के साथ जैसे WH family word plus had subject, had plus subject plus third form verb plus object, remaining part of sentence and sign of interrogation. Why had I returned his book? How had he drawn a picture? How had he drawn a picture? These are structures of different sentences in past perfect. Students, today we have studied past indefinite, past continuous and structures of past perfect. In the next video we will continue further. Till then, thank you. Have a nice time.